How to change Google password. First of all, launch the Google application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your existing Google account. Once you're here, navigate to top right and tap on your profile icon. That's gonna pop up a menu box in your interface. So, just below your profile name, you will find a button that says Google account. Tap on it. Once you're here, again under your profile name, there is an option or menu as personal info. Tap on it. Now scroll down and keep on scrolling until you find an option, a section that is password. Tap on it. Now for your verification, you have to enter your device screen lock or your biometrics. Then you'll be taken into next page where you can change your password. So first of all, you have to type in your password and use at least 8 characters. Don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your page's name. And under that, you have to confirm your new password. Once you have done that, tap on change password and then your Google password will be changed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.